Hi guys.
Hi there.
So it's just a couple of weeks away from Halloween, and today's video is done with that in mind. We're going to each show you some costumes that we've come up with that are cheap, inexpensive, easy, because we know that these are things you guys are needing, but still really cute. And we're drinking our tea, and because I'm such a wonderful, gracious, wonderful, intelligent sister, I made some Scottish shortbread for my sister.
I love shortbread.
Okay, so neither one of us really like Halloween. But there's one thing I need you guys to know, especially you ladies. Halloween does not equate with slut. It's true. So many of them, they think in their minds, Halloween, oh, this gives me a chance to dress like a slut. No, you can just
you mean those cheapy nurses?
show everything, everybody
cocktail?
like them.
No.
Yeah, you can be cute, and you can not spend much money, and you can get lots of attention without dressing like a slut.
Yeah. It's just showing everything you've got. Just
Yeah.
not necessary. Go and have fun. Just keep it covered.
Oh,
Yeah.
and you should be showing all that. It's not even.
No. Won't even go there.
Even the ones that could show it should be showing it.
Yeah, don't need
but there's
to.
too many of the ones that shouldn't be
Shouldn't be
showing it.
They do. That's not me.
That's why we both have long sleeves on.
Yes.
When you get older, this is
You
like.
have this. Yep, there it is. Hey guys, this is your finished, really cheap candy corn Halloween costume. And then I'm just going to, because this is one you'll just step into. Staple it. There. And there. Double-sided tape. So you can hold it together, or you can tape it on the outside. We just happen to have, it's just had double-sided tape. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That is awesome.
And super cheap. Super cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, so after I taped down my sign I just made out of white copy paper, I blew up some of the balloons, and I either stapled or poked a little hole and put the end of it through the hole and taped it on the back. And then I just had some yarn, pink yarn that I had laying around, and I tied it around two holes here, and I'm just going to put it around my neck. And that's all there is to it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, come closer so you can read the sign. Miss Smartie Pants. God, these ideas are great.
That's cute.
Look at that.
And I just put on my glasses, put
Yep.
my hair up,
And
made a sign. Regular old copy paper.
you can do this. Anyone can do this. Oh, that's good.
Good.
And they're so inexpensive.
Oh yeah.
But I mean,
a buck. I mean, it's like this I borrowed from you. I mean, it's like it
But-
doesn't cost anything.
the headpiece, the kids at school probably already have.
Yeah. You
I
can use
mean-
a towel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Okay, now I'm going to blow up the balloons, and then I will attach them around the word bubble bath, either with a stapler or I'll poke a hole and stick them through the back until I have what I like.
Well, all right, what is it? You got to get the clothes. They're pumpkin. They're candy pumpkins.
And you know the best part about this is, say like you're a college girl, right? Or a college guy, and you want to meet this girl that's over there, and you're just too afraid. You can just pull it off and say, here.
Yeah, there you go.
Don't eat the glue, but you
Yeah.
eat the rest.
That one is cute. Yeah.
Hi all, I know some of you might need to tie a tie for your costume. If you do, at the end of the video, click on the link.
That is awesome. 50 Shades of Grey.
And you know it was free, absolutely free.
Yeah.
I mean, just double-sided tape was all you needed.
Oh my gosh. I mean, what a great idea though.
No, they're great. Okay, for the 50 Shades of Grey shirt, I came across all of these shades of gray. These are free. And I started with the big pieces and I put those on the bottom. And I just started laying the other pieces randomly to kind of fill up all the spots. And then I'll put the smallest pieces on top.
One of the things I liked about your costumes is you could do variations. You know, the Smartie pants, the bubble gum where you use the balloons. You could get a bag of bubble gum and just
take those on you.
Take those on you.
That's a good idea. I thought about that.
Yeah, it's just so, yeah, lots of variations.
Yeah, those are all, and they're all inexpensive and easy for you guys to do. So be careful. Be careful. And sorry you couldn't have any of our shortbread and tea. It was fantastic.
Delicious. It was very good.
And I don't have any really bad jokes for you today either. Sorry about that.
Thank goodness. But she did have some great outfits. Great, inexpensive costumes that anyone can use.
And that's the goal, isn't
Right.
it? It's because, you know, we know a lot of you guys don't have the funds to go out and buy costumes. And the wonderful thing is you can take some of these costumes and shrink them down for kids if you needed to.
Little baby ones. And you don't have to go out and spend, you know, $50, $60, $70
Right.
on a costume that looks like doo-doo. Anyway.
The most expensive one actually was the one that you did of the candy corn, and that was just because it used 6 pieces of poster board.
That was it.
So it was $6.
Right.
Well, except for the tape, but most people had tape laying around.
Right.
So anyway,
be creative.
yeah,
Be cheap.
Yeah.
And have fun.
yeah. I won't say yeah again. Bye.